Oscars happening on Sunday. We are having our Oscars special today on the show, but before that, we'll cut this for now to invite you once again. I keep inviting. I never tire because I know hindi po ako mapapahiya. I want you to come and travel with me to Taiwan. We are leaving on April 1st. That's the number to call on the screen. It is a beautiful country with rich culture. We're also going to be experiencing how to fly lanterns, also going to one of their largest plantation of tea in Taiwan, and also we're going to do some culinary stuff, which is we're learning how to cook some authentic Taiwanese dishes. This is going to be fun. This is the last time that we're traveling to Taiwan, so I want you to join me. Please, please, let me be your personal tour guide all over Taiwan. That's the number to call on the screen, April 1st, and I hope you sign up right now. Back here in the studio, ang mag-asawang Ruben Nepales and Janet Nepales, of course, with their personal opinion on, as Hollywood journalists, on who should win and who will win in this upcoming Oscars. Mag-asawa po sila, pero hindi raw nila pinag-usapan ang kanilang mga bets. Tama ba yun?
Hindi kami nag-usap.
Pagka ganun ba, minsan nagkaka-disagreements ba kayo? Pagka magkaiba ng mga opinion, do you ever come to a point where you have strong feelings about something?
Yes. Kasi that's part of the healthy conversation. Maganda yun, di ba? May stimulation ng kaysa pareho na lang opinions namin. Sa boring yun, di ba? So, maganda yun. Merong may disagreement. It's a healthy discussion.
But because of their rich experience covering Hollywood, of course, they agreed Best Director, Ben Affleck should have been nominated. He should win. But they're going to give it to Steven Spielberg for Lincoln. For Best Actress, nagkaiba. Okay? For Best Actor, pareho, Daniel Day-Lewis. And now, let's talk about Best Picture. Here are the nominees.
Amour.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Tu ne vas quand même pas malmener ton image sur tes vieux jours?
Je m'en garderai bien. Mais c'est quoi mon image?
Tu es un monstre parfois.
Argo.
You gotten people out this way before?
No.
You're asking us to trust you with our lives.
This is what I do, and I've never left anyone behind.
I know who they are, and they know they're hiding out.
It's over, Tony.
If they stay here, they will be taken.
Beasts of the Southern Wild.
You're gonna be the key in the band, Tom. I promise that.
In a million years, when kids go to school, they're gonna know. Once there was a hush puppy, and she lived with her daddy in the bathtub.
Django Unchained.
We visit every plantation until we find him.
Once a final Birtle brother lies dead in the dust, I agree to give you your freedom. And I'll take you to rescue your wife.
Where are we going?
Les Miserables.
I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living. So different now from what it seems.
Life of Pi. Lincoln.
We're stepped out upon the world stage now, with the fate of human dignity in our hands. Blood's been spilled to afford us this moment now, now, now.
Silver Linings Playbook.
Oh, she's a mess. You gotta be careful. She does a lot of therapy.
I go to a lot of therapy. Am I messed up?
I just gotta get a strategy, you know?
Me too. So there's this dance thing. I can only do it if I have a partner.
Oh, I'm not gonna dance with you.
So is this the girl you wrote about?
You wrote about me?
She's fine.
She is my friend with an F.
Zero Dark 30.
You really believe this story? Osama bin Laden?
Yeah. What part convinced you?
Her confidence.
If you're right, the whole world's gonna win in on this.
Hindi naman madami. 9 lang. Is it always 9?
Ang cap nila is 10.
Yeah.
Pero I think the ruling is they have to meet a certain number of votes na number 1. So siguro kaya 9 lang ang nakaabot.
Right.
Yeah.
So, I guess we can't discuss each and every film, otherwise we'll do a full show on that. What is your top 3?
My top 3 is Lincoln, Argo, and also Beasts of Southern Wild.
Beasts of Southern Wild. Nagulat ka ba doon?
Maganda kasi especially first time director yung nag-direct ng film. Pero sa akin Lincoln, Argo, and Amour.
Okay, so I'm guessing that it will be a toss-up between Lincoln and Argo. Correct?
Tama.
Why?
Kasi parang maganda ang pelikula, pero para sa akin na Argo has suspense, has drama, has humor. Kasi very entertaining eh. Maraming nagsasabi na Lincoln is very good, pero yung iba parang sinasabi lang na boring daw. Pero sa akin, very interesting. Pero doon ang edge ng Argo kasi it's back to good old-fashioned entertainment and it has all the elements of a good film.
What do you look for when, you're picking a best film?
Good story, and then good acting. And then the whole package.
Yeah, the whole package.
Yeah.
And you think, between Lincoln and Argo, what do you think?
Argo was very entertaining, and but Lincoln was very educational too. So yun, iba-ibang mga elements ang binibigay nila. Ang Argo kasi, it displayed yung Ben Affleck's capability as a good director, and also the whole package na yung suspense, and suspense thriller, it was very good.
And emotion, will emotion play a part in picking the winner?
Oo, kasi parang Argo has everything, And then also sinasabi nila na yung vote for Argo is parang sympathy votes for Ben Affleck kasi na-snub ka siya sa Best Director nomination. Pero sa tingin ko by this time, hindi na eh. Kasi I think it has a struck nerve. Kasi hindi lang basta sympathy votes ito for him, kundi talagang narami nagkakagusto ng Argo. Kasi,
I enjoyed
Golden Globe, PGA, SAG, and everything, pati Critics' Choice, gusto nila ng Argo. So
a lot of people are also predicting that the only award that Argo will win is the Best Picture.
Because Ben Affleck wasn't nominated. We're still back to scratch, back to the top of the program. Who will win?
Lincoln.
Who should win?
Argo.
Who will win?
Dapat,
Who will win? Yeah.
Argo.
Who should win?
Argo.
Yeah. Nagkaiba na naman. Sige, we'll check our scores after the Oscars. Enjoy on Sunday.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for coming, sharing your expertise with us today on the show.
Salamat, Janelle. It's good to be back.
Yes, please come back. More. We hope you were entertained. Oscars on Sunday. Enjoy the show, and I'll see you again next week.